for you to do this, you're gonna need a 1/1/16 inch socket. I use this with a half drive to 3/8 adapter and this little extension, and you can access it. There's 3 ways you can access it: through here, put your arm through here, tighten it up. You can access it down here underneath of the car, which you've seen me do, or if you move this intake piping out the way, you can access the sensor down here. You just have to feel for it. So I'm gonna get back underneath of the vehicle and reinstall this. Oh my God, I got it out. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my God. Fucking around, broke the thing and everything. Stupid person installed it the wrong way. Should be installed this way. Should be facing towards the wheel. Somebody installed it this way like a retard. Okay, we're attacking it from right here. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Damn. Oh. Notice the letter A. I think that A is why it says pressure switch A. Okay. Now, let's get our socket on there. Good. Just like that. When the sensor is reinstalled, try to reinstall it with the sensor position that way, so that if this happens again in the future, it'll be easier to come off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this tab right here. Let's get the sensor like this. Forgive me, I kind of broke it. It was hard to get to it, but the foundation of it is pretty good. There you go, clicked into place, and this little lock tab right here does that. That's how you know it's properly installed. Now it's cleared out, let's run it and let's check for leaks. Now let's clear them out, pending and confirmed. Alright, let's fire her up. Alright, with everything running, let's go check that oil pressure switch. And it's not leaking, so we are good to go here. I'm gonna put the wheel back on. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time, out.